Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another quick video just to show some beautiful foils from Angie, her Angel Glitter Mats, and the beautiful art gels by HD Pro with some chrome, copper chrome used over white, which just gives a real different effect than we're used to seeing with the chromes. So I'm going to be using the Luxio black and white gels here. So I'm just going to cover the tips in the first coat of that, and then they cure in the LED lamp for 60 seconds in my lamp. So you just see me here, I'm just going to cut the foil. So it's on a clear backing, but it's got a rose gold copper marble running through it. So it's really beautiful. It doesn't look much to look at, but when you put it over the white, it really makes it pop, which you will see shortly. So we're going to go back in with a second coat of white. What's happened here is I've done a few nails that I've then chosen to use in a different set. So you'll see like the black one there is actually not used in this set. So I would just ignore that. It's used in a darker set that I do later. Sometimes when you're using different products, they come up slightly different. So what I've done here after the second coat of white, I've gone in with just a normal layer of evol foil glue, and that's setting in the lamp for 60 seconds. It's not too thick, not too thin, just a normal even coverage. And then because I changed my mind on the black nail, you just see me there painting up another white nail. So now when that's evol glue is set, we're going to come in with the foil, and you can see straight away there it's picked it up and really made that marble effect pop. And the foil itself was a little bit short, so I just placed a little bit more at the top because it's a clear backing, it doesn't matter, and the same on the tip there. But you see how easy that was. It literally just pressed and pulled off, and the design was on the nail. So on the third white tip, I'm capping, finishing with Shine It from HD Pro. That sets up in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then it's a no white top coat. So I'm now using the HD Pro chrome, and I'm just using my finger to rub that in, and you'll see there that gives a really sort of rose gold effect over the white, which I think is really pretty and goes well with this set. It was too dark over the black, which is why I changed my mind. And I'm just finishing all three with Shine It from HD Pro. So now I'm going to be using Casper, which is the art gel from HD. Really highly pigmented art gels. They're tack free, so you can go straight over the top of your top coat, and you don't have to worry about those coming off, wearing. Like my clients come back 3, 4, 5 weeks and it's all still intact on top. Any design, you can seal it if you want to, but I quite like the 3D effect that it gives. So I'm just using a fine liner here. It's just a cheap one from Amazon, and the reason for that is the HD one that I had is so beautiful, and my line work is beautiful with it, but I'm having a real problem trying to keep it pristine. I've gone through about 3 now, and it's totally me. I'm just a bit heavy-handed, I think. And I will crack it. I'm going to speak to Hazel next time I see her for training. But until then, I'm not going to waste my money and get another brush. I'm just going to make do with these ones I've got. So all I've done here is done this design, and I've done a flat base, then I've pot cured it, flash cured for around 30 seconds. And then I'm coming back in again and I'm just layering that up. I want it to look a bit like fabric falling on the nail. So again, I'll flash cure it. And then I'm just going to do the ends of those to make them stand up a little bit further. And you get a real 3D effect by doing that. Once you've finished that design, you can then full cure it, which is 90 seconds in the LED lamp. Okay, so once that's done, I'm ready to add my Swarovskis. So I'll be using the Evol gem glue from Angel Glitter Mats. And I'm just using an old dotting tool here. And I place it where I need it. And then I'm using this stunning crystal picker from HD. It's a really beautiful little tool. It's really petite. It's not heavy. It's really light. It's really lovely, and it's pretty at the same time. So I'll pick the gems up with those, and just place them into position. And then I'm going to pick up the mini micro beads, also from HD. In rose gold, and I'm just going to create a border around those Swarovskis, really just to create like a brooch effect. Yeah, and then once you've got them where, and then what I'm also going to do is just drag some up what would be the fabric effect. So I'm just going to place some of that gem glue really lightly up the white design, and then I'll place them in a row into some of the folds there, and then that sets in the lamp for 60 seconds. So exactly the same thing on this one, but I'm going to do some in the corner. I'm just going to do a little cluster. Using the old dotting tool, I place the gem glue, and then just place my gems where I need them, and then surround them by those little micro beads, which are really beautiful. So the trays that you see here, really ugly green, but a client gave me them quite a few years ago now, and they're perfect for making the Swarovskis land on the right side, so you can pick them up. You just give it a little tap. Angie does these in a white now, so yeah, you can grab those from her. Makes life so much easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it now. You'll see me do the third nail, and then that's just a nice little set. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're all well, and you're enjoying being back at work if you're back at work. Yeah, and I will speak to you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye.